Bunyanun Marsus mean a strong, solid, unbreakable wall. And united. In the Holy Quran, Allah loves those who stand together in His cause like a frame structure. When we stand united, we become powerful like a bricks of one wall. No gaps, no weakness. But when we are divided, even the smallest force can break us. Today, as the honor or spirit of Markai Haq Day, we are proudly salute the bravery, unity and sacrifice of a Pakistan army. A true reflection of it standing strong to protect our homeland. At the University of Southern Punjab, we are strive to instill the same spirit of unity, discipline and resilience in our students, preparing them to stand together, support one another and serve the nation with pride. Our class, our institutions and our beloved Pakistan all need this unity to overcome challenges and achieve greatness. Let's make a promise today to stay united, to uplift each other and to stay as one strong force, because unity is just not a strength, it is a victory.